Guys, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about how to use the basic features of Frumle's dashboard. So this is a project I imported from Swagga. It has about 200 endpoints, and I'm going to show you how to navigate this documentation. Firstly, once you document any project, it comes as a private documentation, so you don't have the problem of when you document a project using OpenAPI, the documentation is public automatically, and then you will have to write security specifically to lock the documentation or put it on a different route. Automatically, your docs are private. You do not have that problem. You can also make the documentation public if you want by clicking this public button here. The documentation turns public, and then a share button comes out. On clicking on the share button, it copies the link to this documentation where you can send it to anybody, and that person can then view the documentation, but in a bird's eye view. This is how it looks. It has the other features that we have on the main dashboard, and every use of the AI features on this side will be charged to the main account. So if you want to know more about the AI features, you can watch our AI tutorial. I'll put the link in the description. So yeah, you can make your project private or public. Secondly, these are all different filters you can use. You have the ability to filter by different types of requests, like post requests, get requests, or all, and you can filter by whether it requires authentication or not. So these are the basic features of Frumle. You can also transfer the project. For example, if let's say you're working on a project and you documented it on your account and you want to transfer this project to a different owner, just the same way you can transfer ownership on GitHub, you can easily just click on transfer, put in the person's email here, and then press transfer, and it would literally transfer it to the person. And the person will get an email saying that somebody wants to transfer the documentation to them. Here, you can see your API key and usage. You can see that I'm currently on the basic plan and I've used $6. I can see the usage statistics, how many analyses I've done this month, and how many active projects I have, then just the product breakdown here. You can come here and see every single thing you want to see about the project. And then on your settings, you can manage your subscription. If you pay for a basic plan, you can come here and pay for your subscription directly from your settings. On going back to your dashboard, you can get to see all the projects you have documented and an overview of them, and then you can see that you can create a new project here. Watch our tutorials on how to document a project or migrate from Swagger so that if you have a Swagger project, you can migrate it to Frumle and start using all the AI features that we have here. You can also do that. So these are basically the features we have on Frumle at the moment. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.